How to log in into chasebank online banking account. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to log in into the web version of the chasebank online banking account, here is the tutorial. First of all, open any of your browsers such as Chrome and tap on the new tab. On the search URL, tap on chasebank. Once you type it, tap on the first link, which is by www.chase.com. On this page, on the top right corner, you will see sign in option. Tapping on it will take you to another page. It will also suggest you to use the application. Tap on no thanks and continue with the page. First of all, provide the username of your online banking account and then set up the password or type in the password that you set up before. Once this is done, tap on remember me to avoid logging in time and again. Tap on use token if you have the token available and then type on sign in. However, if you have forgotten username or password, worry not. Tap on the link and it will ask you for your identification. Once it is verified, you will be then redirected to reset your password or the username. And this way you can regain access to your account. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.